Hi, my name is Kelly Chakirian. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I love to teach simple makeup tips and tricks for people who are short on time or on the go and just want to get the best glowy, gorgeous look. Quick time. You're not going to skimp on the quality or the gorgeousness of the product. So stick around and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more. I taught in my last video the basic highlight and contour methods using these 4 colors that any Saint artist will match you to. If you're one of my customers, I've already matched you. And if you want an updated match or you're new here and don't know what I'm talking about and want to get color matched, just follow the link in the comments to get a color match and I will recommend everything I think for your specific skin needs. So if you want to simplify, if you want to get glowy, gorgeous results without breaking the bank in quick time, go ahead and get a color match and I'll take care of you. Okay, so I taught in another video the basic highlight and contour using these 4 colors, and now I'm going to show you how you can amp up this foundational look by using a few extra tints. So the next way that I like to amp up this look is by adding 1 shade brighter. So we have a color correcting shade, a brightening shade, which is kind of like your all over foundation color, and then this is going to be your super brightening shade for your under eyes. So I like to use this blend brush in the small end, and the key with your eyes is that you do not want a lot of product on your under eyes. Your under eyes move and crease throughout the day, and I don't care what makeup you're using, it's going to crease and move and look textury if you're using a lot. So the key with eyes is to always use minimal amount of product. If you have a lot of discoloration on your under eyes, or maybe a little bit more mature skin, I also teach another method called Demi, and it can be paired with 3D foundation. They're both Saint products. But I can recommend some Demi colors that literally do not crease or budge throughout the day, and they specifically color correct your exact needs. So if you want kind of a step further and have the time to jump into that, just get a color match with me and let me know that you want some Demi for whatever area on your face, and I will recommend colors for that. But if you're just using 3D foundation, want to stick to that, this is how you're going to take it to the next level. So here is my brightening color, and I'm just gonna get a little bit on my brush, and you can see in my under eyes, your under eyes are gonna be different, but I have this bag on my under eyes that kind of creates a shadow or this trough. And so to take away that darkness or that shadow that I have on my under eyes, I wanna brighten that up. I don't wanna brighten up my whole pie piece of an under eye. I just wanna brighten up kind of that dark shadow. So you're gonna take this lighter color, and you can already see by me just putting a lighter color there, it's taking away that dark shadow. And I'm gonna take it basically right along that trough of my eye and right into the inner corner of my eye, because that's just gonna really brighten up everything. And then I'm gonna use the other end to lightly blend it out, okay? So you can see, obviously I cannot take away the bag under my eye. I'm always going to have that there, but I can take away the look of that bag by just placing a lighter color there to really brighten it up, okay? So you can see, and I did not apply it everywhere. I just put it on that bag. And then if you have eyeshadow on and want to clean it up, you can put it right there. Not a lot, just a little. And I'm going to do the same thing on this eye. You can see that shadowing right here. So I'm just going to touch this lighter color along the area that I have a shadow and bring it up into my Do you see what a difference that makes without having to apply a lot of concealer? If you've ever gotten your makeup done for a wedding or professionally done, a lot of times they use like Shape Tape and just put a ton of concealer there. And to be honest with you, I think it looks worse. You might look really great in pictures, but in real life, you're gonna have so much texture on your under eyes. So the key is making sure you have the right color, which I can help you with, or any other Saint artist can help you with, and then applying the right amount in the right places. So that is step 2 of taking your basic foundational 3D colors to the next level, is adding that brightener color. You also saw me set that color, and I use this setting powder called Vanilla Dust. You can use any other setting powder you like. There are a million that are amazing. I love this one because it fits in my compact. And I just tap a little bit of that setting powder on my under eyes to make sure I don't crease. And you can tap that anywhere else on your face that you might be a little extra oily, just to take down the level of shine. Don't set your whole face. You really want to give this glowy, gorgeous, dewy look that this makeup gives, which gives you the appearance of youth and vitality. A mattified face is just, in my opinion, not looking super healthy and glowy. It looks just like bland. So don't set your whole face. Just set the areas on your face that you want to not have extra shine, which usually is around your T-zone. And then if you wanted to use a setting spray, you totally can. That's not going to mattify your face. We have one, it's called Stay Spray by Saint, but there are a million other setting sprays out there that would work equally as well. So that is step 2 on taking your makeup look to the next level for 3D foundation. Thanks for joining. You can get a color match below and subscribe to my channel if you want more tips and tricks that are quick, easy, and high impact. Have a great day.